Hey guys, what's up? I am back with a brand new video and it's time to do unbox the Tecno Camon 18 Premier, and this is a new mid-range phone from Tecno which is costing around 55,000 PKR in Pakistan market. In this price range, we have 8GB of RAM with a 256GB of internal storage, and this phone is also manufactured in Pakistan. That's really good thing. And the color I have is the polar night color, which is the best color of the Tecno Camon 18 Premier in my opinion. And this phone also has a NFC. On the back we have some more specification about the phone. On the back we have a stabilized gimbal camera. We also have a 60x hyper zoom. On the back we have 64 megapixel pro portrait camera. On the front we have a 6.7 inch dot-in 120Hz Full HD Plus AMOLED display. This phone also has a 4750 mAh of battery size with a 33 watt fast charging, and this phone is powered by Mediatek Helio G96 processor. In this video we're gonna unbox the Tecno Camon 18 Premier, and I already unboxed the Tecno Camon 18. Now let's open this box, and again I already unboxed the Tecno Camon 18 Premier. So on the top we get the device itself in the paper like this, and you can see again, and these are the main highlighting feature about the Tecno Camon 18 Premier. Again we have a gimbal camera. Now let's out the phone from this plastic like this. So here is the Tecno Camon 18 Premier looks like in the polar night color, and you can see on the back we have a gradient look. Although the back is made up of glass, and that's really good thing in different lighting condition. And this color is also looks like a blue color which is in matte finish. Now let's quickly boot this phone up. Now let's see what else we get and other than the phone. Again, and the first thing we got the warranty card as well as a soft silicone case which is not available in the box. So here is the charger. So now let's see the ampere rating of this charger. It is a 10 volt with a 3.3 ampere, and guys, and this is a 33 watt fast charger. That's very good thing. Also we get a cable which is a USB type C to USB A cable. Also we get a headphones. So now let's put all these things to the side. Now let's look at the Tecno Camon 18 Premier. And guys, and here is the device, and you can see on the back we have triple cameras. Now let's quickly show you the physical overview of this phone. On the bottom we have a speaker, USB type C port, main microphone as well as a headphone jack. On the left hand side we have a SIM tray. Now let's look at the SIM tray. We're going to use one micro SD card with a 2 nano SIM at the same time. It is a full first SIM slot. Inside the SIM tray we also have a rubber, and on the top we have a noise cancellation microphone. Again on the back we have a triple cameras. We have 64 megapixel main camera, then we have a ultra wide and a stabilized gimbal technology. It is only available in the ultra wide. That's really disappointing thing I am expecting on the main camera. On the right hand side we have volume up and volume down rocker as well as a power on button, in which we also have a fingerprint scanner. And guys, on the front we have a 6.7 inch Full HD Plus AMOLED display which also has a 120Hz refresh rate. On the top we also have a punch hole, and the screen to body ratio it is also really good on this phone. Now let's quickly set up this phone up. And guys, and here is the first boot of the, I can feel the 120Hz refresh rate. So now let's see the brightness on this phone. Here is the notification area, and you can see on the display it is also really bright on this phone because we have AMOLED display. Now let's go to the settings. Now let's go my phone. This phone is running on Android 11, and this phone was launched in 2021. Also we have OIS which is a version 8, and this phone is powered by Mediatek Helio G96 processor. And you can see we have 256GB of internal storage out of 14.59GB it already used on this phone. Again, and the full screen gesture it is already enabled on this phone, which works really good. Also you can see the animation, no issue whatsoever. Now let's go to the display and let me show you the refresh rate on this phone. On default it is on auto. This phone also has a always on display because we have AMOLED display. Now let's see the fingerprint scanner speed, and you can see, and the fingerprint scanner speed is also really fast on this phone, no issue whatsoever, and the fingerprint scanner is work really good. Now let's look at the camera. On the back we have a triple cameras. We have 64 megapixel main camera, f1.6 aperture. Then we have a 8 megapixel telephoto lens which gave you a 5x optical zoom. That's really good thing. Lastly we have a 12 megapixel ultra wide, in which we also have a gimbal OIS, and the gimbal technology again it is only available in the ultra wide lens. On the front we have a 32 megapixel main camera. Here is the camera UI looks like of the Tecno Camon 18 Premier. Here is your normal and here is your ultra wide, and you can see also we have a video mode, and the main camera is also shoot in 1440p. Again we also have a 5x optical zoom which also take full HD at 30 fps video as well. We also have a film mode, we also have a beauty feature, we also have a portrait mode, we also have a night mode which is only available with the main camera, and that's really disappointing thing. On the front we have 32 megapixel main camera, and the eye autofocus is work really good, and you can see around my eye we have this circle, and front camera also shoot 1440p at 30 fps. That's really good thing. On the front we also have a ultra steady mode which give you a very good video stabilization, and on the front we also have a bokeh effect which give you a background blur in video. On the front we also have a video beauty feature, we also have a ultra steady mode, we also have a bokeh video mode, we also have a video beauty feature. All those things it is also available with the main camera. The front we also have a beauty feature. On the front we also have a portrait mode, we also have super night mode with the front camera. On the front we also have a ultra HD, we also have a slow motion with the front cameras. The front we also have a time lapse, we also have a short video feature. All those things it is available on this phone. Let's talk about the battery size of the Tecno Camon 18 Premier. This phone has a 4750 mAh of battery size with a 33 watt fast charging, and this phone should give you at least 1 day of battery life on heavy use without any problem. Also we have a AMOLED display with 120Hz refresh rate. But again, in this price range we also have a Poco X3 Pro, which is the best smartphone in terms of the gaming experience wise. That's about it, and thank you so much for watching this unboxing and my first impression regarding the Tecno Camon 18 Premier. Again, I already unboxed the Tecno Camon 18P and silicone case as well as the headphones. It is not available in the box, but if you buy this phone you will also see silicone case as well as the premium headphones. Follow me on Instagram and Twitter as well, and I will see you in my next video. Peace out.